What up? I'm at Reelfoot Lake in northwest Tennessee. This is really known as a crappie fishing hotspot, so naturally I'm here catfishing. A lot of people come here just to crappie fish. There's guides all over the lake. The thing about it, I've always bass fished and catfished here. Usually, if a lake is full of crappie, I'll catch one on accident bass fishing every once in a while. I've never caught a crappie here bass fishing. I've never just specifically crappie fished, but if you know me, I'm not very good at crappie fishing. But I decided to come on up here on a mission today and maybe try to put some fish in the freezer. I've only caught channel catfish here. I don't know if it's blues and flats. It's right next to the Mississippi River, and that's what it's fed by. So I don't see why there wouldn't be. The only thing about it is it's pretty shallow. The water's up a little bit right now from what it can be. It's about 15 foot in the middle when I was coming across. A lot of times it's just 9 foot. It's the deepest spot. Let's see what we can do. I got chicken liver on 2 poles, night crawler on 1 pole, and then I got some creek chubs that I threw out, you know, just in case. Maybe I'll catch a gar. This thing's full of gar. And who knows, maybe it's a flathead roaming around in here somewhere, or a big blue. Try to catch one of them. Usually I come up here, I jug fish. This is the first time I've actually catfished with rod and reel. So, hoping to have a good time anyways. It's about an hour-and-a-half ride up here from my house. I already put 1 catfish in the boat when I was trying to get my poles out, and I've got a couple more bites since then, so we'll kick back and see what we can come up with. Oh my God. That might be the biggest brim I've ever caught. Look at that toad. Jeez. That is a saucer. Dang. See how long he is. 10 1/4 inches. That's a toad. Too little. Oh, yellow bass on chicken liver. That's a first. I'll take it. It's right at 12 o'clock. If you can't tell, it's done got hot as crap out here. And these bibs sound like a good idea this morning, but right now, it's burning me up. This camouflage getting hot. So I got extra redneck, no shirt and some bibs on. But I'm gonna call it a day. It was started out real slow, but it wasn't bad at all, really. There's a ton of boats out here for Easter. I guess church must have let out a little early today. But I'm gonna roll these poles up. I think I got about 10 catfish in there and 4 yellow bass and 2 big old brim. So that's enough to make a meal. All right. Appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one.